Inspections are critical to manufacturers of high-reliability microelectronics and circuit boards. See beyond the visible with the new standard in FOD and defect detection in your stereo microscope inspection workflow. Introducing the Forgione Universal Multispectral Fluorescence device. Replace your primary white light source with this self-contained accessory, adding the benefits of blue and ultraviolet fluorescence. The UMFD's elegant and compact design clamps onto the objective, mounting in seconds. It's unobtrusive and fits most microscopes. The foot switch activated lights and filter allow for hands-free operation. Select between blue or UV modes and go to work. Forgione UMFD. Expect more. Inspect more.